So hello and welcome back guys. So in this video we are going to explore this folder structure of the Next.js application. In the previous video we have created our first Next.js application. So in this we are going to explore this folder structure. So let me zoom in a little bit so you can watch it. I think it is more, yeah, it is good. So uh, let me delete this folder. So we are going to recreate this one again. Okay, starting from the top, we are having an app folder. Okay, in this app folder we will mostly writing our all the code or all the folders, all the files, all means it is the entry point of our Next.js application. Our application will start from in this application folder or app folder means. Okay, so here is the favicon.ico icon means it will show. Let me start this application. Okay, what it means, the favicon means it will be shown over here. Okay, this is the mean of this icon. You have to change if you want to change this icon. Second is the globals.css means it is the base file or main file of this css. It will be used or which will be used from our application. So here it is the basic configuration of the tailwind css means these three directives of the tailwind, and after that it is saying the root and means it is the configuration of the tailwind css. The main file which is the entry point of our Next.js application is this layout.tsx file means our application will start from here only. So what it is saying, it is saying hey, we are having an HTML tag means it is an HTML tag which browser will understand, and it will be like, yeah, from here the HTML is being started. Okay, so we are having a body tag inside the HTML tag. Okay, and it is rendering all the children which are passed. So all the children which are passed over here, from where it is passed. Okay, so every component we will be creating which have the access of the children component. Okay, so here it is extracting the children, and it is the rendering all the children inside the body. Okay, so this is the basic layout of our application. Again, going to page.tsx, so it is the page that we are seeing in the browser, this one. Okay, so let me remove all this content from here and just simply return a div called hello. So it will be rendering over hello. Okay, if you can see it, let me zoom in. So hello. So the page.tsx means it is this means in the Next.js we are having the file based routing. Okay, so inside the app the page.tsx will be rendered when the slash means, if we are going to put the slash over here means this page.tsx will be rendered. Okay, if I go to let's say another route, let's say about, it will say 404 not found. Okay, means we are not having a about page. How we will create this? Inside the application we will create a new file about slash page.tsx. What I have done that inside the app we are having an about folder, and inside an about folder we are having a page.tsx means whenever a user will go slash about page, this page.tsx will be rendered. Let me return an empty div. Okay, this won't complaining anymore. So what it is rendering, let's say about page. So okay, again we have successfully completed the application for app folder. Now we are going to node modules. It is all the dependencies storing over here. The public folder, all the files that you are going to put in will be inside this public folder. The file.svg that we are seeing in the application, that we have seen inside we have seen in the starting of our application, Vercel logo, window logo, okay, all these files. Again we are having .gitignore file. As you know, it is a file which stores all the data which should not be pushed on the GitHub. Okay, ESLint. ESLint is a what you can say, ESLint is for the linting of our application. It will checking our indentation and all this formatting of our document. Okay, so it is the that file ESLint configuration. Okay, next we are having next-env.ts. .d.ts, it means it is storing all the declaration of our next env files. Okay, next we are having next config. So it is the configuration of the Next.js application. We are going to put in some more details when we will creating our application and deploying it to. Okay, so the package.log.json is obviously storing dependencies and logging their versions. So that's all. The package.json, storing the dependency, dev dependencies, scripts, all these things. Okay, the post css is for the tailwind css. Post css is a plugin for the tailwind css, so it is for this it is for this configuration. Now the readme.md for the markdown file for the GitHub. As we see over the GitHub, tailwind config means it is configuring the tailwind css inside our project. Last is the tsconfig.json. It is for configuration for our TypeScript, because we are using the TypeScript over here. So this is all about all the folder structures. I have missed one folder which is .next. Okay, in the starting I have deleted this folder, but now it is here. Why? Because when I started this application by the running the command npm run dev, it has built all our application and put it in the side .next folder. Okay, so inside this we are having all the build of that project that we have made. Okay, so inside this you don't have to change anything, or you won't be touching it. Okay, this is for just building it and rendering it over here. Okay, we are not going to push it on the GitHub and again. Okay, so this is like this. So hope you guys understand what all the folder structure of our Next.js application. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.